So using the relational operators. The main use of the above relational operators are in conditional phrases, or to simply put, what if situations. So when you're looking at a case where you have to consider a lot of what if this happens, what happens if this does not happen, you start thinking about using relational operators. Let's say you're writing a program for a bus fare and you want to know the correct fare based on age. So how will you describe this problem? So here you are told to write a program that will totally calculate the fare that each passengers will pay based on their ages. So if the passenger age is greater than 18, then the price is normal price. So if, for example, the bus price is 100 naira and the passenger age is greater than 18, that's supposed assumed to be an adult, then you pay the normal price. Otherwise, you have to pay half of the price. So how do you write the program to do that? So let's write the same algorithm, which is written in plain English in Java. It's a conditional phrase. So you have something like this. If age is greater than 18, price will be 80, else price will be 40. So that is half of the price. So okay, let's write a Java program that calculates this bus fare. So now you can see here I'm going to employ a lot of things. We start with void main. This is a method, and everything that you have inside here are the actions that you need to take. The first thing is you need to declare the variables. So you have to start looking at, okay, this has to do with fare. So I have fare as my variable. I also have something that has to do with age. So you could also have amount, price, the transport fare. Of course, I've mentioned transport fare, the value of the transport fare, and the age. Those are the two variables that need to be declared. Here I'm using integer for the two of them. Then the second one is you get the age. So something has to prompt the user. Imagine maybe like in Abuja, you have big buses, you have passengers lying, queuing up. So someone has to find a way, or you have to ask a question, what's their age? So, but in this case, the computer, this input can be given, the response can be given through the question, and the response can be given through the computer system. So there is a question here, what's your age? So the user will have to supply that age. In this case, the user will have to enter the value of his age. So we use a new method. So we're introducing a new method here, which is called read integer. So this will now accept the input from the passengers in this case. So this accepts the input. So this accepts what you type into the system. And when you type, so what it does is it will check the program. Now, is the value this man is supplying, is it greater than 18? If it's greater than 18, then it will print line, the fare will be, then the normal fare. So the system will look at this variable and ask itself, okay, what's this fare? And here we have already initialized and declared and initialized this fare to be 80. So your fare will be 80. So this, just imagine maybe a voice control system telling you, look, based on what you've supplied, this is going to be your fare, and you now make the payments. But if the statement is false, that is, if the age is less than 18, then another print line will appear telling you, look, you have to pay half of the price. How do you do it? You use your a little bit of calculation, the fare divided by 2, that will give you half the price. Thanks, okay, that means you are a young person. So if you write this code properly and use the correct number of braces, this is what you're going to have. So I'm going to paste this code on the Java environment for us to see. Make sure that the opening, the curly brace, the opening brace